Module 7 Culinary Heritage. The 20 regions of Italy. Rediscover regional gastronomy and the Mediterranean diet. Integration of cultural heritage in modern cuisine. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to identify the culinary characteristics of Italy's 20 regions, understand the Mediterranean diet principles, integrate tradition into modern cuisine, appreciate the link between food, culture, and sustainability. Introduction to Italian culinary heritage. Italy's cuisine is a reflection of history, geography, and local traditions. 20 regions, each with unique products and techniques. Strong connection between land, culture, and identity. Regional diversity defines the richness of Italian gastronomy. The Mediterranean diet, recognized by UNESCO as cultural heritage. Core elements: vegetables, fruits, grains, legumes. Olive oil as the main fat. Moderate fish and dairy intake. Limited red meat and processed food. Focus on balance, seasonality, and conviviality. Culinary diversity of the 20 regions. Examples: Piedmont truffles, Barolo wine. Emilia-Romagna pasta, Parmigiano, prosciutto. Tuscany olive oil, beans, steak. Campania pizza, mozzarella, tomatoes. Sicily arancini, citrus, seafood. Integrating tradition into modern cuisine. Modern chefs reinterpret classics by preserving authenticity while innovating. Using local ingredients in creative ways. Promoting sustainability and storytelling. Balancing tradition and modern presentation. Cultural heritage in hospitality. Hospitality can preserve and promote culinary heritage. Regional tasting menus. Collaboration with local producers. Themed culinary events. Staff education on cultural storytelling. The Mediterranean diet as inspiration. A global model for healthy eating and longevity. Sustainable resource use. Seasonal and local food systems. Cultural exchange and culinary innovation. Summary: Italy's regional cuisines form a cultural and gastronomic legacy. The Mediterranean diet promotes health and sustainability. Integrating heritage into hospitality creates authentic experiences. Tradition and innovation can coexist in modern gastronomy. Next lesson, Module 8 Global Kitchen Management. Managing and leading teams in global kitchens, multi-unit catering, and international food service contexts.